day 4th of JS projects, JavaScript projects, and will you guys be able to see me and able to listen my voice? So welcome to the day 4th of JavaScript projects, and today we will be doing a very simple project, and I want at least and I want almost most of the viewers to at least prepare all the three or all the four projects or all the five or try all the, for all or try for all the five projects, and get the participation and completion certificate both. So, one second. So let me start today with this new project, which the name of the project, which is the animated navigation. And in this project, I have already made this project live. Why? Because I just want to show you how this project is actually how this project will work. So as you all can see, this is an navigation bar in which if you click on this will happen. If you click on this will. So this is basically a toggle based project in which the toggle feature, we will be applying this toggle feature functionality with the help of JavaScript. So rest of the things we have already added in HTML and CSS. HTML code is 1 minute. HTML code, there's nothing special in the HTML code because we have simply created a navigation bar, and in this bar we have an ordered list and a toggle, two toggle classes we have added. Okay. So nothing special in this, but uh, as you all can see, this toggle functionality we will be using or we will be adding with the help of JavaScript, which will actually be very useful in case some people are preparing their web page. So they can add this functionality in case some people like making their apps. They can add this functionality in the navigation bar so that it looks very small and crisp. And as soon as you click on the navigation bar, this the equals icon, it will expand and the all of the things will be open now. So there, as you all can see, we have already added the unordered list, and we have added the colors in the linear gradient format, and padding, margin, text decoration, none, active property we have added, some box shadow also we is there. So this is how, this is basically the toggle based project which we will be in which the toggle functionality we will be adding with the help of JavaScript. So going back to CSS part. So as I have told you, we have the body color will be the linear, will have the linear gradient concept, and the font family we have taken finder, displays flex, aligned up center, perfect, this going to content, fine. So height okay. In the navigation bar, as you all can see, the color of the navigation bar will be white, padding is there, width is there, displays flex, so that all the contents are in center, and border radius is 3px. 1 second. So yes, the sharpness is not there, so that's why we have used the border radius here. And box shadow we have already been taken. Yes, okay, let me use this here. Then transition width is sorry, 0.6 second with linear gradient, perfect, and overflow will be hidden, fine, perfect. So for the navigation bar in the for the unordered list, we have display again flex, and list style type is none because we don't want any of the additional functionalities here. Padding zero, margin fine, perfect. So this is basically what is the what contains the CSS part. So moving on to the JavaScript functionality, which we will be applying, mm, mm, which we will be applying to this active, because as soon as this thing, this particular li will gets active, and we click on this cross button, so the navigation bar will gets closed, and when we click on the equals to button, the navigation bar will get expand. So this is how the functionality will work like. And this functionality we will be giving, or we will be adding with the help of JavaScript. So one second. Okay, fine. So going back to, so here on, we will be targeting this toggle, or I can say we have to use the toggle functionality. So we'll have the document dot get all the elements by ID, for the toggle functionality. Perfect. So similarly, we will be using this for the nav bar also, because this is what the nav bar, and this will work. So the functionality will be applying on the toggle in the navbar. So and it is being applied on all the elements which is inside the toggle and the navbar. So toggle, we will be adding an event listener here, because if we click, an event has to happen, and the event is like that. If we click, the event has to add, and if we remove, if one second, let we will one second, we will first made it, then we will discuss on it. So here toggle and add event listener will be using with the click functionality, and we will use the arrow function here in the nav class list for toggle the page to be active, and so no, this is not required. So here we will be using the toggle and add the events on the click functionality in the nav bar for all the class list, and it will become active if we click it and add it. So let me open the style feature. So this is how. Okay, so if the nav function will become active. Okay, fine. So I guess it will work. So this is how this functionality will work. So this is basically a very simple and small thing, a very simple and small project. But trust me, it will be very helpful for you to make this project, uh, where in your navigation bar, in your apps or in your web page, because it is a very small thing, and as you all can see, looks very good and nice. See. So also I can say it will be using a very less space, but as soon as if anyone clicks here, it will open up and give all the four options as home, work, about, and contact. So you can add any of the things here. So this is how this click functionality will actually add. Will this click functionality will actually active will be active, opens the bar and close the bar if you click on the close button. So this is how this functionality will work. So once again, I will be telling, as in case any of you will complete all the four projects or five projects or three projects, any of the three projects, any of the four projects, any of the five projects, he will be eligible for a completion certificate. And trust me, this will be a complete JavaScript series. And tomorrow will be the last day for this project to complete. And 1 second. So that's it for the day. And tomorrow is the last day of this series. So please make yourself comfortable and see you tomorrow